Hi everyone, let's get ready to do some Heggerty exercises. Today we're going to start with nonsense words. These are all things that you're going to eat, things you can eat. So try to guess what they are. The first one is bapple. Apple. What about dupe? Soup. Mookie. Cookie. Voast. Toast. Coatmeal. Oatmeal. Nupcake. Cupcake. And finally we have popcorn. Popcorn. Good job. All right, we're going to listen for beginning sounds. So I'm going to say two words. You're going to repeat the two words, and then together we'll say the beginning sounds. Here we go. Pen, put. P. We win. W. Real, read. R. Quick, quiet. Qu. Talk, time. T. Van, vase. V. Sit, same. S. Yes, you. Y. Zip, zoo. Z. Ball, back. B. Excellent. Okay, so now we're on to doing syllable work. We started doing syllables this week. So I am going to say the parts of the word. You're going to repeat them, and then we will blend it together. Here we go. Insect. Insect. Garbage. Garbage. Hungry. Hungry. Monkey. Monkey. Garden. Garden. Upset. Upset. Bacon. Bacon. Frozen. Frozen. Pencil. Pencil. Absent. Absent. Okay, now we're going to listen for ending sounds. So I'm going to say the word, you're going to repeat the word, and then we'll say the ending sound together. Here we go. Miss. S. Wet. T. Dove. V. Box. X. Buzz. Z. Lab. B. Need. D. Fluff. F. Frog. G. Cage. J. Okay, now we're going to segment syllables. So I'm going to say a word. You are going to repeat the word, and then we are going to clap it out into 2-syllable words. Each of these is 2 syllables, so each one should have 2 claps. Here we go. Famous. Famous. Fever. Fever. Obey. Obey. Paper. Paper. Tiger. Tiger. purple, purple. Welcome, welcome. Pumpkin, pumpkin. Sunny, sunny. Picture, picture. Good work. Okay, so now we're going to do some word substitution. So I'm going to give you the word, then we're going to replace the beginning syllable and see what we make. Here we go. The word is cleanest. Change clean to dark. Darkest. The word is darkest. Change dark to large. Largest. The word is largest. Change large to high. Highest. The word is highest. Change high to great. Greatest. The word is greatest. Change great to clean. Cleanest. Good work. Okay, now we're going to add a syllable. So we'll start with the word and then we'll add an ending onto the syllable. Here we go. The word is clean. Add ing to the end. Cleaning. The word is dust. Add ing to the end. Dusting. The word is mow. Add ing to the end. Mowing. The word is cook. Add ing to the end. Cooking. The word is laugh. Add ing to the end. Laughing. Good job. And now we are going to do syllable deletion. So we'll start with the word and then we'll delete the ending syllable. Here we go. The word is meeting. Without ing, the word is meet. The word is talking. Without ing, the word is talk. The word is walking. Without ing, the word is walk. The word is thinking. Without ing, the word is think. The word is looking. Without ing, the word is look. Okay, last exercise, counting syllables or counting words in spoken sentences. Here we go. A couple of kind of long ones in here. That man was nice. 4 words. I think I am smart. 5 words. Books are my good friends. Also 5 words. My aunt is nice to me. That one is 6. I like to read in my bed. 7 there. She said yes. And that last one was 3. Good work today, everyone.